Today's tip deals with what do I do with my hands during a presentation? It's a question I've been asked many, many times. Let me start with what not to do. For example, crossing your arms. It's saying, I don't want to be here. It's very defensive. When you're nervous, and let's put it this way, most people are, don't wring your hands because that shows how nervous you are. Some people tend to put your hands like that. We call it the prayer, and I wouldn't suggest it. It's not a good idea to put your hands behind your back because you kind of stop yourself from being natural and from gesturing, which is the next question. Should I gesture? If you are a gesturer, by all means, gesture. But if you gesture big, make it meaningful. Don't just kind of try it and then stop yourself and say, don't do that because you learned that in school. Gesturing is fine. Your hands should really be around waist high, so they're ready to gesture or ready to be just comfortable. You can also put your hands on the podium, and from there you can gesture. But you have to gesture at the right times. I remember I had a student once whose speech included this sentence: our company is expanding globally. And I said, you should try maybe a gesture. And I kind of demonstrated. I said, our company is expanding globally. And she said, okay, I'll try that. So she said, our company is expanding globally. So that doesn't work. So once again, no defensive positions. Gesture big so it means something, and it will help your presentation. See you soon with more tips to help you succeed. For more information or to get my handbook, click on the link.